guys, it's me, and today is Thursday, and I am so excited for this video. It's sponsored by Walmart. You guys know I just moved in a new home. It has been very challenging to get new furniture and to get new things, but not from Walmart. This is the reason I'm doing this video today, because they were having so many Black Friday sales. And I told you, I just got my dining room table, but my chairs are not going to be here. She said maybe I would get them for Christmas, and I'm having everyone over for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I was able to order some new chairs. I wasn't planning on showing you these first, but I'm so excited. I was able to order some new chairs, and I got them. I ordered them last weekend and I got them yesterday. So I was thinking somebody out there might be in my position where you just moved into a home and you need something quick, or you want something that is good quality but not crazy expensive to last you until your thing that you are waiting on gets in. So I'm going to spin this tripod around and look at my new chairs. They are that brand that I was telling you guys about that I love, the Safa Via, and I will bet the lighting is horrible. But you can see that they are wicker, which is like crazy in style right now, and it's basically timeless, I think. You can see that my table is marble, so I can pretty much go with any chair that I want to. I had the choice between the just like neutral gray. No, actually it was like a whitewash, which would have looked great, but I just thought the black would look good with my tiger, the black in him. And you guys know I have I'm gonna spin you around slowly. I have a black sink and a black faucet, and my formal dining room table is black. So I just thought that it would go so well. And I love how they come down deep like that. And you buy two of them together. So my other chairs, I got 5 because this table can take 5 chairs. And I told John if I could buy these individually, I would have gotten 5, but this will be fine. We've got, stools at the bar, and I think we've got, let me see how many people we have coming over to eat. So I think just 6 people. Brooke's boyfriend is going to be out of town. So I think just 6 people plus us. I think that's all it's going to be. But you know how the number always grows. So technically we did have enough seating, but you know what? Let me take you out of this tripod real quick. I'll just kind of go back and forth. But I felt like you couldn't grasp the whole chair situation with that lighting. And I'm going to take you on the back porch and show you some other things that we got that are from Walmart that we ordered and got so quickly. And you guys know this is like construction central out here in my neighborhood, so of course there's lots of noise. There is Bubba. He's laying in the sun. Okay, so I think that these are all, everything I show you is probably either Safa Via or Better Homes and Gardens. And I think you guys have already seen the poofs that I got a while ago. These have been great for outdoors. And then we got the 2 chairs. We actually got all 4 chairs. I think the last 2 right here, the rattan, came in a set, and I think we bought these separately. And then that is an outdoor coffee table. And I wish I would have blown the carpet off, but this is real life out here. And then that is my just like little potting and stuff section. And then we got this outdoor heater, and I think these are on sale. I think I saw this in the sale catalog, and I don't know if you can see through there. Click, that is the ocean. That is the waterway, and then there's like an island, and then the ocean is on the other side. And this is the infirmary over here. My money tree had spider mites. He may or may not make it. That tree right there is an orange tree. And then my foxtail fern has had a rough time with the move. So we're just letting them get some good sun today and see how it goes. And then, of course, the TV. And John, when the weather was a little bit better, he watched TV a little bit more out here. But I know Walmart is having like major TV Black Friday sales. So that if you're looking to do like I am and make your outdoors just like another place for people to go, this would be great. And then, of course, we have shown you the grill that we got at Walmart, the Blackstone grill. Let me see if I can, yes. That, oh my gosh, that is the love of my life right there. He cooks my steaks on that every single night. So we love that. Matter of fact, we had another grill and we sold it. It was brand new. We never used it. I do have some other things coming for out here, but this has been great. And like I said, we ordered it and it came within a week, and it's just made it nice, and it makes it nice when people are coming over. One more of the table. I love it. John just unpacked those last night. So now I want to show you some other things that I got, and I'm going to put you back on the tripod. So you guys remember when I bought these dishes. They were in my last home video. We have enjoyed them, and I ended up buying these. Mix and match. And what I wanted to show you, I mean, they're just so pretty. And there's also, I'm going to show you in a minute, there's also like a little polka dot version. And I love these. I think I like these better than the solid black ones, but they just mixed in very well with that. And let me show you the bowls. So these have more of like the deep bowls, but look how pretty they are. Printed on the outside and the inside. And then the small dish. And then these bowls, if you like more of that shallow, wide bowl. I wanted to show you those. Because to me, there's a time for the shallow and a time for the deep bowl. Okay, these. And then these are like a separate set that I bought. So what I will use these for, I mean, how cute is that? You can use these for so many different things. I'm going to use them at Thanksgiving probably to put butter out and have it softened for everybody's bread and everything. But then here's this one. This one, and this one. So they could be dessert plates, bread plates, whatever you want them to be. And then I wanted to show you also how good these little plates look with your plants. I've always loved dishes. I have like accent dishes from before I met John probably, and before Brooke was born. And I used to like to put them like in a picture stand and stuff, just a pretty dish. And I've always loved putting dishes underneath plants, like pretty planters. And this one has just, I love the color combination of that pink bloom and then that black and white dish. So I was also thinking, and you could even put your candles and stuff like that on there. But I was also thinking these are great gifts, like for someone who is really into entertaining and cooking and everything. I think these are great gifts. I was really excited about these. I'm glad I got those. Okay. Now, I don't want to miss anything. I was trying to think of everything we've gotten. So I'm going to take you upstairs, and I think I'm going to just turn you around. I'm going to show you real quick how happy everybody is here in the laundry room. They get some good morning sun. The fiddle leaves love it. And then you guys remember that basket that I showed you last time in my Walmart home haul. I have loved it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I have not finished decorating up here, and I have not really cleaned up. I have not even been upstairs since this morning before I got ready. So what you see is just real life. I haven't decided exactly, where I want to put everything. I mean, everything's basically like I like it, but there are some things that are gonna go different places. And, okay, just probably one of the best, least expensive, best things I've purchased is that little lamp over there. There is something about it the simplicity, and let's go over, and it has like the foot little thing that you step on to turn it on. I don't know what it is, but that lamp has made me so daggone happy. It's one of my best purchases, and I also think that would be a great gift or something great to add if you're having people coming over. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I've got my plants here. Ignore that tripod thing, but there's the porch. And these people over here just moved in. That is the sawhorse where John is still working on the molding. Isn't it beautiful? Just that little slice. I don't care if I can only see that little bit. It is just beautiful, especially in the morning. That's why I'm not putting anything here. Let me back up, because this is my view from my desk. So I don't want any chairs there or any big plants or anything. Coming in here, let's see, this table. Let me take this plant off real quick. Ooh, he's heavy. I think I might have shown this to you before, but this table I bought, I believe it's Safa Via also. It is beautiful. It would be such a good, they've got the coffee table and this little end table. Another thing that just makes me happy and is so worth it. Okay, then this chair, I think is a great vibe. It adds, I don't know, it just adds a little something with that. And then, you see the plant fam over here. The orchid is fading. I hate it. I hate to see it. And then this little table. I did not even buy, here, let me pull this ponytail out of the way. I did not buy this table for this reason. I actually just got it thinking I might put it between the two fuchsia chairs, and it has been so good for a little plant table. But it's just a little cocktail end table, and it was not expensive, and I think it is so nice looking. And I may even order another one of these because I like to have my plants kind of, I want them lower than the window because plants naturally want the sky and the sun to be above them. And that's actually another thing I've been doing is I put grow bulbs in my lamp and I've been leaving it on. They're the LED. I might even have, yeah, I have the light here. And here's the rest of the gang. They're doing well. This has really just grown so much. It's so rewarding. And that Monstera Peru, a whole bunch. So let me think, anything else in here? I mean, just a lot. That's like one of my first places I go. And I either look up the, I either look up the Safa Via or the Better Homes and Gardens is another line that I think you guys would like. Okay guys, I think that's it. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I feel like it's time sensitive because if you're like me, you might need something on the fly. And we need to start shopping now because the supply is, you know, it's crazy with everything. I can't remember, what was it the other day that it was hard to get? And I was like, what? I can't even remember. I know just now the guy was here replacing some of our windows that were foggy. It was part of our list, like the punch list. And we have that gas fire pit in the back, and we're still waiting on a valve to come in. But even like food, you need to probably go ahead and shop. We've already bought our turkey and toys. Walmart is having big Black Friday sales on toys. And like I said, TVs and all that kind of stuff. It's time for us to start shopping. So I wanted to remind you of that. And I wanted to show you my chairs. Hey, it's me. I'm editing this video and realized my camera cut off before I said a proper goodbye. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.